We live in a world of three dimensions: length, width, and height. It's simple enough to grasp, right? But what happens if we go one step further, into the mysterious fourth dimension? Is it just a mathematical trick, or could it really exist? Let's break it down. To understand the fourth dimension, let's quickly recap the first three. A dot is zero-dimensional. Add a line and you have one dimension. Extend that line into a square and you've got two. Add a third line upward and voila, a cube, 3 dimensions. So what about the fourth dimension? Imagine adding a line perpendicular to all 3 dimensions of a cube. Sounds impossible to visualize, right? That's because we're hardwired to perceive only 3 dimensions. But mathematically, this 4D shape, a tesseract, is completely valid. While the fourth dimension in geometry adds a new spatial axis, in physics it's tied to time. Einstein's theory of relativity describes the universe as a 4-dimensional fabric called space-time. This combination of space and time explains how gravity works and why massive objects warp space-time. Think of time dilation. Near a black hole, time slows down. This phenomenon, popularized in movies like Interstellar, is a direct consequence of the fourth dimension in action. So, does the fourth dimension exist physically? That's tricky. Some theories, like string theory, propose up to 11 dimensions. These extra dimensions might be curled up at scales too tiny to detect. If they exist, they could help explain mysteries like dark matter and gravity's behavior at small scales. But so far we have no direct evidence. Even if we can't see or interact with the fourth dimension, exploring it pushes the boundaries of what we know. It's a concept that fuels innovation in science, art, and philosophy. After all, every great discovery starts with a question that seems impossible to answer. So what do you think? Is the fourth dimension just a useful concept, or is it a real part of our universe? Thanks for exploring this fascinating topic with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more. And let me know your thoughts. Does the fourth dimension exist, or is it just science fiction? Until next time, keep questioning the universe.